In today's Instagram video tutorial, I want to show you how to delete the group on Instagram that you have recently created. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app that you have installed. So if you have already created some groups, so you can also remove or delete the group from your Instagram account. So in today's video, I want to show you how to do this. So simply tap on the direct message icon on the top right side of the screen. So here you can see this is my group, IT group. So I have recently created this group. So in this video today, I want to show you how to leave the group. So simply tap on the group username, and here you can once again tap on the username of the group, so you can find all the options related to the group. So simply scroll down, so here you will find guys the leave chat option. So tap on this one. Now you can see choose a new admin. So if you want to give the permission to another people to manage the group, so you can also choose here, but I want to just leave the group because I want to permanently delete my Instagram group. So simply tap on leave. Now after a few seconds you will see my group will be deleted from my Instagram DM option. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to delete the Instagram group on Instagram app. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get the more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.